Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And in a previous video, I showed you this website, not this particular page, but this website that I ran across when I was doing a search for information about the Japanese news facts. And then I showed you an article that's on this website. And so after I did that show, I says, let me go back. That article was very good. Let me see what else is there. And this website called Tech Zone has got a ton of technical information. A ton. Let's just give you an example. I'll come down here. Here's some links, and then down here are the categories of his post. We come down here to radio. And so this is a listing of all the articles he's done on radios, somehow related to radios. And we just go down here and I'll just show you a few of them briefly. He's talking about DMR, talking about the Udiden scanner and the ICOM scanner, the IC-R20. And I saw one that caught my interest. Let me see, it was quite a ways down. Let me see if I can find it again. There's the ICOM IC-R75 shortwave radio. Where is it? Oh, it's way down there. I know that. I should have left it on that page. It might not even be on this first page. I mean, look at all these articles, and this is just the beginning of the article. You have to hit the continue reading to read each of these articles, and they're fairly extensive. Okay, let's go to older post. Like I say, I thought it was on the second page. Oh boy, I'm so slow. There was one that, I mean, I just got through 2 pages and I already found an article that I was interested in. Okay, I think it's down the bottom of this page. Okay, now, yeah, there it is. This is an article on the Sony AN-LP1 active loop antenna. And that's the, I did a couple of shows on that antenna. It's mainly for indoor use. And he says, what about putting it outside? So that kind of caught my eye. So we'll click on continue reading. And here's the article. I haven't read everything. And here he's got it mounted outside. Here's some modifications that he made to it. And here's some receptions he had. Turns out I believe this person is in Australia. And there's the another facts like the one I was showing you, the news from Japan. Some other faxes that are better shape. And so he's got a ton of articles. I mean, I can't believe I can't believe I haven't ever seen this website before, because it is just chock full of information. Let's go back and see if we can find another one just quickly. This is as far as I got before. Here's a teardown and modifications of that antenna. Here's a review of the antenna itself. The wind radio. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Trying to see something else that I would specifically be interested in. I probably can't find anything right offhand. And we got an older post. I don't know how many hundreds and hundreds of posts he's got. This is on just one topic, which is radios. There's the one I had. I think that's the one I had up before. Oh, there's an article on the RTL 2832 tuners. That would be interesting. Anyway, let me go back and see. Okay, here's the categories. audio, computing, do-it-yourself, electronics, events, so on and down. God, there's Raspberry Pi. I'm interested in the Raspberry Pi. I'm still learning the Raspberry Pi. I'm just going to click on that for 1 second. Well, maybe longer than I'll click for 1 second, but I'll dwell on it for one. All right, come on, go there. Come on, computer, wake up. Darn slow computer. Okay, there's a bunch of, I'm gonna scan through this real quick and get some idea how many articles he has. Look at this. Look at all these articles just on the Raspberry Pi and things like the Raspberry Pi. Is that it? Okay, so he only has 1 page on the Raspberry Pi. So check out this web page. Let me go back to the home, and then I'll paste that in the description below this video. Where the heck is the top? Where is the top? Click on up here, Tech Zone. And so that right there is the website address. And does it have a, I was trying to see if it had, oh, here it is, right about me. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So there it is. There's the guy right there, Dr. Gu. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce his name. He's 29 years old. He's a graduate of UNSW. I don't know what that is. Got a PhD in civil and environmental engineering. Pretty cool. I had no idea this existed. This is too cool. I'm going to have to spend some time on this website and read some of these articles. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye.